Email. An electronic mail or email can be defined as the process of exchanging messages electronically through a communication network by using computer. Although an email is usually associated with the internet, it is not necessary to have an internet connection to send and receive emails. Many organizations have email facilities within their own networks without having internet connection. Advantages of an email. Emails have various advantages. Some of them are: an email can be sent anytime and from anywhere in the world. An email can be sent to many people at a time. An email can be easily forwarded to anyone without typing it again. Sending an email is fast in comparison to traditional mails. Music, images, or any other computer file can be shared with anyone using email. If an email does not reach its destination in the first attempt, the mail server automatically sends it again. If an email is not delivered, you receive an email explaining the problem why the email could not be delivered. Email address. You need to have an electronic address to send and receive emails. This electronic address is called email address. The email address is unique for every internet user. Some examples of email addresses are as under: orangeeducation123@gmail.com, vikas@yahoo.co.in. Although these email addresses have different formats depending upon the type of network, but always have same form, a username and a domain name, separated by @ pronounced as @ The portion before the @ symbol is called the username and the later one is called domain name. The username is unique to every individual sending or receiving emails. The domain name is common to all the individuals using a particular server or network for sending or receiving emails. Creating an email account. There are various websites that give email service free of cost. Some of the very popular are Gmail, Yahoo, redefine, Hotmail, etc. You can create your own email account with any of these service providers. The most common general purpose and free email service provider is Gmail. You can open an account with any of the other service providers also. The basic steps involved in creating an email account are: Step 1. Connect to the internet. Step 2. Open the Firefox web browser. Step 3. In the address bar, type the URL www.gmail.com and then press Enter key. The home page of Gmail opens. Step 4. Click on the Create an Account button on the web page. This will open a screen asking for various details like: in the first name field, type your first name. In the last name field, type your last name. In the username field, type what email address you want to create. In the password field, type a password. Passwords are given so that no one else can open your email account. A password must be of minimum 8 characters, having a combination of alphabet, numbers, and special characters. You should always remember your password. Step 5. Click on Next button to continue. The next screen asks for phone number, birth date, and gender. Enter any of your parents' mobile number after taking their permission. Ensure that the number you have entered should be accessible, as Google sends a verification code on that mobile number. Step 6. Click on the Next button to continue. In the next screen, enter the verification code received on the mobile number and click on Verify button. Step 7. Click on Next button. You can simply skip the next screen. Google then displays a list of terms and conditions applicable to all users of Gmail. Step 8. Click on I agree button to continue. This will open the welcome screen of your Gmail account. Signing in. You can access your email account anytime by following these steps. Step 1. Double-click on the web browser icon. Step 2. Type www.gmail.com in the address bar of the browser window and press Enter key. Step 3. Click on Sign In button on the top right hand of the browser window. Step 4. In the email or phone field, enter username of the email address that you have created. Step 5. Click on Next button. Step 6. In the password field, enter the password you had created for your email account and click on Next button. All your emails are visible in the web browser window. Sending an email. You have created an email account. Now you want to send an email to your friend. You need to take the email address of your friend before sending the email. After getting the email address, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Compose button on the top left corner of your web browser window to create and type a new email. Step 2. This will open the new message window on the screen. Step 3. The new message window has many fields. 2. In this field, type your friend's email address. You can enter more than one address by pressing comma after each email address. CC. CC stands for carbon copy. It is marked to the email address who is to be informed that an email has been sent to the person marked in to field. BCC. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. It is marked to the email address when you do not want others to see to whom the email has been sent. Subject. In this field, one-line introduction about the purpose of the email is mentioned. The email is typed in the main white body of the new message window. Step 4. After completing the text of the email, click on Send button to finally send the email to your friend. You can also attach a file by clicking on the Attach Files button at the bottom of the new message window. Reading an email. You can read an email received from your friend by clicking on it. The number in front of inbox shows the number of emails in your account which you have not read till now. The unread mails appear in bold effect. To read an email, click on the name of the sender or the subject. This will open the email as shown below. The name and icon below the subject indicates that there is an attachment with the email. Sign out. You should always close your email account after completing your work. This is known as sign out. It is very important to sign out from your account so that no one else using that computer can read your emails or send unwanted emails from your email account. You can sign out from your email account by following these steps. Step 1. Click on the icon on the top right corner of your browser window. Step 2. Click on Sign Out button.